That's just parts falling out.
So we got a call for a Jeep that's got a broken U-joint. It's out here like on the south end of the East Rim Trail. So we're gonna head out here and see if we can figure out what it's gonna need to get it off the trail. We got Jamie with us.
It's getting dark on us. It's partly cloudy and it's nice. We have a beautiful sunset right now.
So we got Rhett back here. He's gonna be doing some camera work.
What he's really trying to do is avoid homework.
Where's Pete at?
She's back there laying
Back
down.
there laying down. Hey, Peanut. Oh, I can't get it. Hi, Peanut.
So this call came in earlier. I wished we could have got to it earlier. We just had other jobs in the way. I don't know. It's been a long day. We're most of the way there, but it's kind of slowing down. The road's getting a little rougher. The picture that they sent us makes it look like it's in a pretty gnarly spot too. You know, if it's too crazy, we'll just get out of here and come back in the morning in the daylight. If it's something we can handle, we'll just do it. We're gonna learn together. Our navigator is Jamie. How are you doing?
Trying. Well, we'll get there eventually. We're trying to get to that pin right there.
That's just a waypoint though, right?
Yeah. I didn't know we were going up walls.
We're getting close now. A couple hundred yards up the
Is that
road.
a cliff that it's parked by?
The picture shows it like vertical, so it might be in a pretty bad way.
You better not be off that edge.
What's the edge like down there?
I can't see the bottom.
Yeah. Let's not go that way.
So we're not quite there. That's where we're going.
Is it on top?
Yeah.
Or down the bottom? I can't tell.
He's like the noble Duke of York. I think he's down in that drop.
Oh,
There he
it's
is,
right there.
Okay.
This is a heck of an obstacle to drop off of.
Yeah, we'll just stay right here and winch him off. Holy smokes. This guy is wedged in here. This U-joint right here just shattered it. All right. Let's get him pulled up.
Sure wish we were doing this in the daylight.
Yeah, me too. This is a heck of a road right here. I think it's prudent that we don't pull off of here. I think we could do it just fine. I think we can go right around there.
This trying to film at night in this terrain is really difficult. I keep about falling. I'm going to play Trevor.
Go ahead and start it up.
Ready?
Okay, I need you to holler loudly. Okay, Jamie, when I turn the light on, I want you to give it a little bit of gas and slowly turn passenger as you're moving.
Okay.
Lights on. Give it a little bit more gas. Keep on going. That's just parts falling out. Maybe not. Yep, just parts falling out. Keep going. Not fast. So that was quite the nasty thing he was touching.
Nice and smooth. Keep coming. Nice and smooth.
That's a little bit heavier than it looked like. Although we can.
Okay, this next little bit's gonna be super important. Let's redo this. All right, I'm gonna be pulling this side up. Okay, jump in that thing. Come my way. Nice and slow. Turn my way. Okay, give it a little gas. Okay, I'm just gonna slowly back up.
Okay. You gotta start. Yeah, okay, you're coming up. Stop.
So what I'm trying to do here is I'm going to cut these ears off so there's no interference. So these aren't going to be chewing on each other on our way out of here. Okay. Got one of the ears off.
Well, Dad, look. It came out. Look.
Oh, you kidding me? When did that happen?
I think just barely.
I think that just popped out right now.
I think just barely.
I mean, it may have been popped out before, but I don't think so. I think we just did it steering it. So we just need a lower ball joint to put in there or a bolt to put through it. That's what we should do.
So is this a job to finish in the morning?
Yeah, but I better get my list. So we need a jack, impact and impact sockets, dikes, channel locks, big channel locks, end wrenches, lower ball joint, bolt, drill, torch, sledgehammer, lots of other hammers.
Look how tall this is. Do you think I can make it in? Uh-oh. I can't get up high enough to grab anything.
Off shackle?
Yeah. Oh, I made it.
All right, so we got skunked tonight on that one. We're gonna have to find some parts and get them put on there and get that thing limped out of here tomorrow. We are back. It is the next morning. We are headed back out to the job we started last night on that Jeep Rubicon. But there's a twist. So a while back we had a giveaway where you guys could send us a video and enter to win to come hang out with us and do stuff. Well, that time is now. We got David back here from Australia.
Hi everybody, hi Nelly.
Give us a weather report.
Mild, 18 degrees, no wind, nice day.
It is a nice day. So this is not only recovery, it's also a trail ride because we got the banana, we've got the tangerine, we've got Hefe and his Can-Am. We're all headed out here. I think we got 5 guests with us that are just tagging along for this recovery.
Alrighty, we are in the banana, and I got Ty here from South Dakota.
Howdy, howdy.
He is one of the 1 million subscriber winners. We also got Trevor in the back.
And I've got Ty's burrito.
Well, that's mine.
Right. It was all up. Even better, it was Lizzie's burrito. Ty was entrusted with it, and he failed.
But we are following Matt in the MORR, and we're on the East Rim Trail right now. So it's gonna be a fun time and follow along for the ride.
I'll just show you how this goes. I don't even know how it's gonna go. I feel like I'm a little bit off my game here. I don't know which way to go. I'm not even paying attention to where I'm going. We got our first obstacle on the way out here. So since we've got such a big group, and this part could be bad if things went wrong, we're just gonna take it easy through this next little spot, I guess.
How did that feel?
That was a little tippy feeling.
Okay, so the first order of business is gonna be to get that tire off, get that wheel straightened out. Okay, start turning a little to the, yeah. All right, who's my tool guy? Okay, I need pliers. We're doing some exploratory surgery here. Okay, look at that. Let's get one of them hammers, that wooden handled. Sorry to all you claw hammer fans, we left those back at the shop.
We'd be done by now if you would have used
If we'd have used the claw hammer. Okay, so now we've just got to get this one off. So I need an end wrench. It's looking like it's going to be like a 19.
There's a 19.
Oh, it's going to be 21 or 22. Beautiful. Well, these are all just finger tight. I have a feeling that this got stretched pretty hard when this joint went away. Rory says they usually either break the knuckle or do this to the ball joints. So I called Rory on this job. So I was just out driving Trail Mater backwards up Hell's Gate like I always do. The call came in. So we're gonna go out there and yeah. Matt says that these claw hammers are better suited for working on cars than these ball peen hammers, so let's see. Oh, it's already loose. Claw hammer for the win. So a lot of times when these joints break, it puts a tremendous amount of pressure out and it'll break the ball joint. Sometimes I've even seen it break the C's. We here at Moab Motorsports, we've seen a lot of stuff. Oh, wow. Okay, hang on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's not that heavy. Okay, hold on. Okay, the real key is going to be that. Yeah, I'm going to pull this out and I'm going to stuff a rag in.
Man, he broke a ton of stuff, didn't he?
Yeah. Yeah, just keep the dirt out and the oil in, maybe, hopefully. I need some of those snap ring pliers, Lizzie. I think this one will go back up in there and we can drive out with it. I think we only need to replace the bottom one. So this bottom one might just hammer out. It's going to go straight down.
That was easy.
All we've got to do is get it out of here. That's it. That's all it has to do.
Lizzie did that tippy part.
Yeah, I think we should try to replace that just because that's where it's supposed to be, is up there. All right. I gotta say, this is going really well.
Almost as easy as getting the other one.
Oh, that's not, didn't go that well.
You spoke too soon.
That's okay. We can put something in there. Let's see if this works. Now you can cheer.
Aren't you guys glad we brought Rory along?
Oh, what's another Roryism? I don't know. We love you, Rory. Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery. And you know what? This is like, there's like levels here because I'm Matt pretending to be Rory, pretending to be the Jeep doc.
Okay, that goes in from the top, right?
Yes.
That's right. Cup right here.
Well, look, look at that one was for alignment. Look how far that is
That's a
off.
sleeve.
Come
Well, I
on.
don't know that we're using it right.
We are using it. Wow, that's a lot of pressure.
Looks like it's in there a little crooked.
Well, now we've done it. That's not working. They're going to be taking these out and putting ones in because this is all wrong anyway. Do we have a first aid kit?
That's at it right down right there.
3 more minutes.
Yeah, it's still a bit out.
1 more.
That looks good.
That's good
Still
enough.
a little bit.
Next one. seem to be going in okay. All right.
And almost there.
It's going in that good?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't it?
A little bit more. One more crank.
Okay.
So far, so good.
Can't believe that worked.
One ball joint.
Hefe,
Yeah.
do you want to head up picking up the stuff we don't need anymore? I don't know what that is yet. I do want to take this U-joint out though. Like the last thing we need is some sort of a problem. Sorry to bring you guys on the most boring recovery job
Are you kidding?
that we've had.
This is not boring. Watching Rory work is great fun.
Yeah. Sorry Matt couldn't be here.
So you win.
Win. I can't see what
Get
needs
in.
to happen.
Inside.
There we go. Gotta get this top one started. Okay. I don't know how tight to do this. I guess they can take it apart if they want to. But I know it's coming apart.
Funny how different people.
Let's put that wheel on and see if this thing will drive out of here. Okay.
Was this guy out here alone, or did he have company with
I
him?
think he was with company, but he, yeah, because he got to ride out.
Are we that we are?
Yeah. Well, we got that done. So I'm going to go back to driving backwards up hard obstacles. What else does Rory do? So if any of you are wondering who's going to win the tow truck Olympics, it's going to be me, Rory. That's who I am. Rory Irish. Yeah. So anyway. Anyway.
Now that the fake part's over, we're going to show you the official fix that we're doing.
Duct tape, the official tape. Matt's off-road recovery.
You should be able to get that, Trevor. They're in the cup holder. What, Trevor?
All right, we're just going to ease on out of here. Well, I'm pretty confident that we're gonna make it out of here. Everything's going really good. So I'm gonna break open my victory pie. Victory. So we made it to Dixie 4-wheel drive. Needs an alignment for sure. I think it was safe to drive. This is Ruby.
Hi guys, how's it going? Long time no see.
So it's gonna need inner axle, it's gonna need axle stub and U-joint for sure.
Okay.
We just bought some cheap ball joints to put in there, but I can tell from the upper ball joint that the caster, camber, whatever, everything's out now because that one was way offset. It's got broken sway bar link. The track bar is definitely bent.
Okay.
It's bowed out. The steering wheel's like this now.
The running board's gone.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
You told me
There's-
about that.
All right, this might be the biggest crew we've ever taken to do a recovery. I think even our big jobs, we've never had this many people. So we went out there, it didn't work out. Then we went back out there, it did work out. Now we got it dropped off at Dixie 4-wheel drive. It's way past lunch, so we're gonna go get some food. And thanks for watching. Yeah. Even though these are the real winners, you're all winners as far as I'm concerned.